Hello, everyone. Hi, friends. Today we have with us Pavan. Pavan has been a student at 360 DigiTMG and he has done his BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering. Despite being from non-IT background, he nailed it. He got into the field of data science and data analytics. So let us hear from Pavan on how was his journey and how did he transition from being a BTech ECE student to becoming a data scientist. Yeah, over to you, Paul.
Yeah, thank you, Varney. So, first of all, I'm really glad to have here now. So, as Barney told, I am from electronics and communication background. So, after that, I decided to go into the 360 TMG for this data science and AI course. Why? Because I understand that in future, this AI and data science course are going to rule the future. That's why I understand it immediately and enroll into 360 TMG. Why 360 TMG? You can ask. Because I heard so many reviews and I visit so many YouTube channels and everything they said is good. That's why I went here 360 TMG, and here the coaching and everything is perfect. And after that we have experience of live projects also. In live projects I understand mainly one thing, that no one is there to push ourselves or told everything about the project to do this or do that. We have to understand everything. But in 360 DGTMG we have a mentor and they teach us everything, because this is the basic of our basic project for us. So I really like that, Barney.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Pavan. So, Pavan is saying that he has done a lot of research. He has done research of uh, probably all the training companies. And then he decided that 360 Digit MG is good. And one of the key points which Pavan is bringing to light is that 360 Digit MG provides real world projects. So,
Yeah,
Pavan,
Barney.
can you throw some more light on that? And how was your experience on the real world project? And how did it actually help you crack the interview?
Yeah, sure, Barney. So here I done one live project that is related to OCR. So OCR is an AI project where we extract the text from images or PDF. So in real world scenario, it is really difficult to copy from an image or PDF. So that's where come to this OCR. So in this OCR technique, I extract the text from the images. So basically at start, I don't know about this OCR and any AI techniques. I learned everything in 360 digit EMG. Here they are teaching from scratch. And in project, they are guiding us what we have to do and about the research also, where we can find the good articles and everything also. If we stuck anywhere also, they are guiding me very well. So like that, I successfully completed my project and successfully put it in my resume also.
Good, good, Pavan. And I also remember, Pavan, you have been attending the project meetings, which we usually conduct, right? And you were attending the meetings early in the morning,
Yeah, Varney.
right?
Yeah,
5:30 a.m. without any complaint.
yeah,
5:30 a.m. we used to have one project meeting, then 5:45 a.m., 6 a.m., 6:15, 6:30, 6:45 in that way. And then you were part of that early project meeting, early morning project meeting,
yeah,
and never you complained anything. So I
yeah,
believe it is your hard work and your dedication which has positioned you in the place that you are currently. I'm extremely happy for that, Pavan, and I'm certain you will scale newer heights. The last question is, Pavan. A lot of students are getting trained through 360 Digit MG, right? And a lot of students have completed the training. What would be your suggestion for them? I know you want to give a lot of suggestions, but what will be a few of the key points that you want to tell to the students who are currently undergoing training and students who have just completed the training on how should they prepare to actually get into this field? Yeah.
yeah. So those who completed the course here, the data science course is like a ocean. No matter how much we learn, it is not enough at all. So we can't complain you didn't teach everything. Like that we cannot complain, because every day, every time there is new topic is going to come. So my suggestion is to observe everything and learn everything, whatever we know and whatever we don't know also. Practice every day and learn new things every day. That is my best suggestion, Barney.
Perfect, perfect. Wonderful. Thank you. Thank you so much, Pavan, for your time and for your talk. I'm sure this is going to motivate a lot of people and it will help. Thank you so much and all the best. I'm certain that you will scale in your career. You will grow to newer heights and all the best, Pavan, for your future.
Yeah, thank you, Barney.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much.
Do stay in touch. Thank you.
Yeah.